Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marcella and thank you so much for watching today's video. So we have a fun one today. This is super different than anything I've ever done before and I love it. I'm so excited about it. So my sister-in-law, Valerie Tabares, which you guys may have seen some of her videos, you may even be subscribed to her channel. A lot of people think, you know, we're sisters, but we're sister-in-laws. She's actually married to my brother. So she also is an Avon representative and does a lot of beauty, skincare, and just like training videos as well on YouTube. So she approached me like about a month ago and she's like, hey, because we've collaborated before on videos. So she's like, hey, why don't we try something a little bit different? Why don't I buy you some Avon makeup and you buy me some Avon makeup and we send it to each other and we create a look out of it. And so I thought that was an amazing idea. Here I have my box. As you guys see, I have not opened it yet. It is still fully sealed up. So I wanted to open it on camera and we made sure that what we ordered one another are things that we did not already have. And also make sure you do check out Valerine's video. I will link it down below. So yeah, I have no clue as to what she ordered me. I'm gonna go ahead, open the box. So let's do it together. And you know, with Avon, like we are always coming out with new products. So I knew it would be easy for her to find me some stuff that I still don't have. So we have a nice little bubble wrap here. A little order form. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I had a feeling she was gonna order me this because I don't have it. And I know she has it and she loves it. So she got me the FMG Love Summer Eyeshadow Palette. Look at that packaging. It's so pretty. It's like this rose gold and like in the back here, it's all marble. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, it's so pretty. So I do believe this is limited edition. So I love the packaging. This honestly may be some of the prettiest packaging that Avon, in my opinion, has ever come out with. So you kind of see it has a little bit of a shimmer effect there and the back is the same. We have a beautiful palette here with purples and pinks and some beautiful warm shades, which I know are gonna be perfect for summer. So these look gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There is no mirror, so I kind of do wish there was a mirror there. I think it would be nice to have a big mirror, but that's just, you know, me kind of thinking out loud. But I'm excited to get into this and to play with this later on. So let's see what else she got me. Okay, so this is awesome. I told her I didn't have this either, and I know it's a new product for Avon. So this is the FMG Colors of Love Heartwarming Bronzer, and she got me the shade Golden Days. So I love bronzer. Like bronzer is one of those products that I will put on no matter what. Like for me, I'm good with like bronzer, mascara, and a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm good. And maybe some like under eye concealer, but bronzer is like something that I feel like everybody needs. It just really warms up your skin. So let's go ahead and take it out. Ooh, look at it. I love it because it's just matte. Like I honestly, when it comes to bronzers, I love a matte bronzer. I don't need any shimmer. I just love it matte. And this looks like a perfect warm shade. And there is that big mirror that I know we all appreciate, right? So I'm excited to try this. Here ooh, yes. Okay, so we have the FMG Colors of Balm Glow Balm, and she got it for me in the shade Sparks Flying. So she's got me covered for all summer long. She got me a nice shadow, a bronzer, and a highlighter. And look at this packaging. It's really, really cute. Let's open her up. Ooh, and it's like a nice like rose gold shade. That's gonna be really, really pretty. I feel like this can even work as a blush. Like it's really nice and pink. But there we go, guys. So I wanted to wait to see what she got me to then go ahead into my makeup collection and pick out the items that I need for today's look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back here and get started on this look. Alrighty, so we are back. I am so excited. I think literally all three of these products are things that I'm genuinely excited to try. So I am gonna go ahead and prime my face with my latest obsession, which is the Avon Anew Vitamin C Illuminating Primer. This is a product I've been wanting to try for a while, and I'm so happy I finally picked it up. What I really love about it is it really brightens up your face, and you really don't even need that much. Not gonna leave my skin greasy. I feel like it just really helps with providing that glow from within. And so I actually really like pairing this with the Anew Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. So I have never really used an eye cream before applying makeup, but I wanted to give it a shot, and I noticed that this vitamin C eye cream has a little bit of a tint to it. So if you ever use it, it has like a tannish tint to it. So I feel like it really helps with giving that under eye a brightening effect. And I feel like it's really been helping me with creasing under the eyes, like as far as when I apply concealer and such. So I've been giving this a go, both of these products, and I really love the way they work together. And I really do feel like they're gonna be some of my summer staples. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the eyes while I let the primer and the under eye kind of sink in there. So for priming my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the VDL Expert Color Primer for Eyes, and this is in the shimmer shade. So I love this. It looks so beautiful. Like, I swear with this primer, you don't even need anything on top of it. Like, if you just wear this primer on its own, it just looks gorgeous. So I'll go ahead and take my sponge and just kind of distribute that throughout the eye. Okay, so now that the primer is applied, we're gonna go ahead and get into this beautiful eyeshadow palette. So I'm going in with this beautiful kind of terracotta shade. Then I'm gonna mix it in a little bit with the orange. And let's go ahead and see how this blends. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and just really diffuse that shade to make sure it all blends seamlessly. So then for the rest of the eye, I'm thinking I'll go in with this really, really pretty like rose gold shade at the top corner. And I'm just thinking about how, you know, tying in the look with that highlighter stick, I think it'll look really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna grab a flat shader brush and just really pat that in to the inner corner of the eye and kind of bring that out to the rest of the eye. So I would just want to do this because I want to test it out, but I'm going to grab this shade right next to it. It's like a metallic, it's more like on the purpley side, but I just want to put a little bit of that like in the inner corner and see what that will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a smaller brush. I'm going to go in with that shade. It's really pretty. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like. I'll put that like in the inner corner a little bit. I love this palette. It's so pretty for summertime. And I'm gonna darken up the outer corner just a little bit more. Let's go ahead and move on to the other eye. We'll come back and then finish up this look. So let's go ahead and apply mascara. Of course, this is the Love at First Lash Mascara. I actually have the Velvet Mulberry shade. It's like a beautiful, beautiful kind of like burgundy shade. Unfortunately, you know, this was a limited edition mascara, but this is what I've been using at the moment. But we do have this mascara in just regular black, which I also do enjoy, but like I said, this is just one that I've been using right now, and I think it makes the lashes just look gorgeous and long. So next, what I'm gonna do, now that I feel like my primer's really set in, my eyes are done, I am gonna go in with the Magic's Tint Natural Tinted Moisturizer. Here I do have the shade Light. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my sponge here. I did a full review on this tinted moisturizer maybe a couple months ago, so I will link that down below if you wanna check it out. But I have been obsessed with these tinted moisturizers. They feel so great on the skin and just really do give you the most beautiful finish. You guys see how it just beautifully blends in? And what I love about this natural finish, so if you didn't know, there are 3 finishes in our tinted moisturizer. There is the natural, which is what I'm using now, there's brightening, and then there's oil free. So this one is absolutely my favorite. Ooh, this eyeshadow look looks so, I feel like once you finish your eyeshadow look and you apply your foundation, that's when you're like, ooh, this eyeshadow look is pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some under eye concealer. So I'm all out of the concealer that I typically use, which is the Avon Cashmere Complexion Concealer. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I already know this is way too light for me, so I'm gonna use, the least amount of product as possible. I'll probably have to go pick up a different shade, but I'll just put some over here. Like, oh, that is so light. So what I like to do is I like to let my concealer kind of sink into my skin. And while I let that happen, I'm gonna work on my eyebrows. So lately I have been loving this Patrick Ta for Brows shaping wax, and this is in the tinted formula. So I will go ahead and grab a spoolie like this, and I grab the Belief X BDL Glow Moist Fix and Mist. I love this product so much. I feel like it's lasted me so long. Like, I use this product to set my face, to do my brows, sometimes to do eyeshadow, to do a wing liner, but it's lasted me so long. But what I'll do is I will go ahead and spray the spoolie, and then I will go ahead and work it into the product like this to pick up some of that shaping gel, and then I literally just brush my brows with this product, and I just kind of play around. I go from like brow to brow, brushing through. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do next is I still feel like I need a little bit of brow fill-in, so I'm gonna go in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is in dark brown. This is another product that I feel like I've had for quite a bit and it lasts a long time, and I will just kind of run this through my brows and feel like wherever I need more filling in, I'll just kind of run through it, and then I'll grab that spoolie again just so it blends in nicely. So now the brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and take the same sponge, grab the spray, and spritz it down a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in and blend out that concealer. Let me go ahead and set that. So I always love the Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. It's time for some bronzer. So again, I am gonna use the FMG Colors of Love Heartwarming Bronzer in Golden Days. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with a nice fluffy brush. I'm just gonna apply that to the cheekbones. But I can see this even being a beautiful shade, like going into summer. I might get a little bit, you know, more color to the skin. So typically what I do, this is a little trick that I've learned, if I kind of overdo it with a powder product or any type of product on the face, I like to go in with a stippling brush like this, and it just really helps disperse it and pick up some of that product. So I'm gonna go ahead with just a little bit of blush. It's the Caress Me Cashmere Multi Palette. So it's a highlighter and blush duo, but I've been really using this as a nice blush, and I feel like it looks so pretty and it would work really well with this look. So I kind of go in here with a nice little angled blush brush, and I go up here and apply some blush. Like I said, I just want to use a little bit, so let's go ahead and use this illuminating sticks, and I have it in the shade Sparks Flying. So you guys see, it kind of looks like a little bit of a lip balm. So you just pull this up and you twist here to really bring up the product. So I'll put it on here, but it's like a nice pink shade. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna grab some on my finger because I don't want to put it right on my skin like the product. So I'll put some on my finger and just kind of apply this to the high points. See that like nice glow it just gives me? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Put a little bit on the nose. I'm gonna put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lash. Pretty. Okay, now for the lip. Probably gonna do like more of a simple lip because I feel like there's a lot going on with the face. I'm just gonna take my Avon Birthday Balm Lip Crayon in the shade Surprise. This is one of my favorite shades. Next, I'm of course taking this Glow Moist Fix and Mist. Alrighty, well there you have it guys. What do you think of this look? I love it so much. I think it's so fun. It really does scream summer. This is like something I would totally wear on a date night, which reminds me, I'm going on one on Friday, so I'll probably recreate this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and link every single product down below. If you do want to shop any of these products, check out the description box down below. Also, make sure you check out Valoryn's video so you see which products I picked out for her. I'm so excited to see how she incorporates the products that I got her into her everyday look. And also keep in mind that if you are going to shop any of these products, and you know, if you've never shopped with me before, make sure that you fill out my little form that I have down below where you can go ahead and request some coupon codes so that when you do purchase some products, you know, you can get yourself a discount, you can get some free products. So make sure you check that out as well, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. I come out with videos every single week, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you really enjoyed this type of video and if it's something that you'd want to see me and Valoran do again. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.